Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about healthy breakfast options for all age groups. This video is going to be very helpful for all of you, so watch till the end. But before we start our video today, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment so that in the future I can bring more interesting videos for you all. Now let's begin our video today. Breakfast is an important part of the day's meal. Breakfast not only gives energy to the body, but also makes it productive. People of all ages need breakfast to satisfy hunger, stay refreshed, and feel rested throughout the day. Starting your day with a healthy breakfast is very important, no matter what your age. In today's video, I will explain why breakfast is important to us and share 5 easy, healthy, homemade breakfast recipes for people of all ages. The importance of breakfast. 1. Boost energy. After a good night's sleep, a healthy body and mind need a healthy breakfast the next morning for strength and to feel fresh. 2. Stay active. A healthy breakfast provides energy to perform better at the workplace and in academic institutions. Breakfast makes the brain work properly and helps the memory effectively. A healthy breakfast not only helps control hunger throughout the day, but also keeps us away from eating junk food, which is not good for health and weight. A healthy breakfast fulfills all the needs of the body like vitamins, fiber, and protein. Now let's share with you guys 5 easy, homemade, delicious, and healthy breakfast ideas. Oatmeal is a great source of fiber and fills you up for hours. If dry fruits and fruits are added to the oatmeal, then the taste also becomes very tasty and healthy too. Requirements: half a cup of oatmeal, 1 cup of water or milk, and half a sliced banana. To make the oatmeal healthier and taste delicious, add strawberries or blueberries, almonds or walnuts as needed. Preparation. First of all, mix water or milk with oatmeal. Secondly, above oatmeal, put dry fruits or fruits with proper cutting. And if you want, then add a little bit of honey. Importance of this recipe. For difficult carbs and gaining proper fiber, oatmeal is best. Also, vitamins and protein come from fruits as well as dry fruits. Avocado bread is very healthy and full of nutrition for children, youngsters, and the elderly. Requirement: 1 piece of wheat bread or any other bread according to your taste, half an avocado, and 1 egg, either boiled or fried. Add salt or spices as per your requirement. Preparation: lightly toast the bread or no need to toast the bread as per your need. Place the avocado and egg paste on top of the bread. Add salt and spices as required. Importance of this recipe. Avocado is a source of fiber and healthy fats, while the eggs provide the body with protein that helps control hunger and stay fresh. Granola and honey with Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and calcium, making it a good breakfast choice. Granola and honey make it even more delicious. You will need 1 bowl of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1/4 cup of granola. Add fruit as needed to make it healthier and tastier. For preparation, add Greek yogurt to a cup. Spread the honey over the yogurt. Place the granola and fruit on top of the yogurt. The importance of this recipe. Yogurt is a source of protein. The vitamins come through the fruits, and granola adds crunch to this recipe and also provides fiber. Smoothie bowl. Fill a smoothie bowl and then top with fruits, nuts, and honey to make this smoothie not only healthy, but also servable. You will need 1 banana, half a cup of frozen berries, half a cup of kale or spinach as needed, and half a cup of milk. On top, spread honey and fruits. For preparation, grind the banana berries, spinach, and milk until it becomes a thick smoothie. Then pour it into a bowl. Spread over fruit or honey as desired. The importance of this recipe. This smoothie bowl is full of minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants for people of all ages. Banana bread with peanut butter. It is very easy to make but very healthy for people as this breakfast contains fiber and healthy fats. You will need 1 piece of wheat bread or any other bread, 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, and half a sliced banana. If desired, add chia seeds to this breakfast. For preparation, toast the bread a little, spread peanut butter on the bread, place banana slices on top, add chia seeds if desired. The importance of this recipe. Peanut butter is a good source of protein and healthy fats, and banana provides the body with fiber as well as potassium. A healthy breakfast is essential for people of all ages. Breakfast provides strength and nutrition to start the day effectively. Add fruits, wheat, honey, protein, and healthy fats to make your breakfast not only healthy, but also delicious. Add the above-mentioned 5 recipes to your breakfast routine to feel healthy, fresh, and energized. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you people like this video. See you soon with another informative health topic. Till then, stay healthy.